Trust Let's Make Agencies with your events and will deliver. Hello there, welcome to Let's Make Agencies Limited, where we offer products and services such as procurement of goods and services, construction, insurance, business development support, where we help small-scale businesses on how to manage their finances and business. Events and decor. Trust Let's Make Agencies with your events and will deliver to your preference.
Business development support. You support a year a grade 4 enketwa. Ye much concern ewo a grade 4 enketwa omudiga ewo my Ghana mu.
Ope baby edweni akire akoyo car insurance comprehensive third party a menfo ani kire baby a for when kire Let's Make Agency yene na ye the best.
I Let's Make warehouse. I Tonton Charles any building materials.
The building any construction and so say even yama contract bi wa be mu. Enso hu se dia obeye no e fa na dams e fa na road e fa na buildings any kind of construction ayama a wo hwe a untimi nye utimi boben ye through your Let's Make Foundation ebi mo wo orphanage issues ebi mo wo hospital issues ebi mo here counseling nini na Let's Make Foundation etimi ehwe ehye ni ye.
Hi there, you are most welcome to another day on TLT Care Show. I hope you're doing good. I say, yeah, it's a beautiful Monday afternoon. I deem it a great honor to log on your screen to share with you one or two things that you got to know about your health. So please do the subscribing and withdraw your comment to the comment section. Also like this program for me, okay? My name is Evelyn Aduma. Remember, this program is proudly brought to you by Top G Multimedia, Let's Make Group of Company, Prestodia Care Foundation International, and African Cream Market. Also, Bliss Aluminum System. Without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to our health tips today. It's all about cucumber. Have you been consuming cucumber before? Do you know the health benefits of you taking in cucumber? You know, cucumber are those green elongated fruits often likened to watermelon. They are similar to watermelon because of the high content of water that is inside it. There are a lot of health benefits of taking in cucumber. That is, it trims excess fat. You know, the low calories and high water content of cucumber make one derive satisfaction from eating them, and thus reducing cravings for junk. This makes cucumber an effective remedy for individuals on the journey to weight loss. So if you want to reduce weight, please try to take in cucumber. You may have been eating diced cucumber in fruit salad or as part of your salad served along with delicious fried or jollof rice at parties or eateries. So cucumber is healthy food that serves as many purposes, especially in food preparation and medicine. So it's good to know the benefits and derived from eating it. So please try to take in cucumber. It is very helpful. The risk of colon cancer is reduced when taking in cucumber. So according to the Cancer Research Institution, cucumbers contain an anti-inflammatory agent, that is a flavonoid called quercetin. The quercetin fights against the growth of cancerous cells in the gastrointestinal tract of the body system. So please try to get one cucumber and add it to your salad, then you are good to go. The water is maintained in the body, so taking in this cucumber, if you fail to drink a glass of, I beg your pardon, if you fail to drink a glass of water each day, eating one cucumber will make up for it because it is 95% of water. The bodily cells stay hydrated with water, and individual's health will benefit from this. And also growth of solid and healthy bones and teeth. This tasty fruit sweet bitter flavor improves the absorption of calcium and other elements into the bones, so maintaining the strength and health of those structures. That is eating cucumber. And also keeps the skin growing. Cucumber contains vitamin C and B complex, which fights skin irritation and inflammation, thereby maintains one's skin and keeping it from aging rapidly. So since you have gained awareness, you can now include cucumbers in your diet to maintain healthy skin, bones and teeth. Our top priority is your wellness. Cheers. So please try to take in cucumber to clean your face, whether you have skin infection or facial infection like pimples, acne and all that infection. Try to take in cucumber. You can take in the juice or the raw cucumber, and for the juice you can add lemon, carrot or anything, you blend it together, then you are good to go. Take in, it is very helpful. That is, it also promotes your gut health, that is your teeth. If you want to have strong bones and teeth, white teeth, that you can chew everything that you want, please try to consume cucumber. It is very good. And also they can regulate your digestion. Have you seen the cucumber on the screen? It is very good for your digestive health. And also they are good for your blood sugar, that is your blood sugar level. They will reduce it for you at your normal size, then you are good to go. Also makes your skin grow nice, naturally beautiful. So please try to take in this fruit or vegetables, I beg your pardon, the vegetable that you see on the screen. It is very helpful, and there are lots of health benefits concerning taking in cucumber. Because of time factor, I decided to share with you this small tea. So please try to take in cucumber daily. You can add it to your snacks, your breakfast, your lunch, your supper. They are all good. Cucumber is naturally made for you, so please don't frown on it. Those who said they don't like vegetables are good for normal human beings. Protect yourself against all kind of disease such as cancer, diabetes. All those diseases are very harmful and they can kill you easily. So try to take in fruits and vegetables every day. They are all good for your health. My name is Evelyn Adoma and you are live watching TL Care Show right here on Top G TV. You are streaming live on YouTube. Please do the subscribing, like and withdraw your comments at the comment section. At the right possible time, I'll read it for you. Remember, this program was successfully brought to you by Top G Multimedia, Let's Make Group of Company, Bless Aluminum System, Prestodial Care Foundation, and African Cream Market. Stay connected with Top G. Until then, bye for now.
Hello there, welcome to Let's Make Agencies Limited, where we offer products and services such as procurement of goods and services, construction, insurance, business development support, where we help small-scale businesses on how to manage their finances and business, events and decor. Trust Let's Make Agencies with your events and will deliver to your preference.
Business development support, you support a adwadifoɔ enketewa. Ye much concern ewo adwadifoɔ enketewa omudigwa ewo my Ghana mu.
Ope baby edweni akire akoyo car insurance comprehensive third party a memfo ani kire baby a for wani kire Let's Make Agency yene na ye the best.
I Let's Make warehouse. I tonton tiles and building materials.
The building and your construction also. Say even yama contract bi wa ben mu. Enso hu se dia obeye no, e fa na dams, e fa na road, e fa na buildings. Any kind of construction ayama wo hwa untimi nye. Utimi bo ben ye through your Let's Make Foundation. ebi mo omo orphanage issues, ebi mo omo hospital issues, ebi mo omo here counseling. Nini na Let's Make Foundation. Etimi ehwehwe ni ye.
Bliss aluminium system your caso high tension. Air glass application of Italian Sico, aluminium sliding doors, indoors, swing doors, casements, and a young way interior glass repairs. So, Adoko Amoshe, who are Kola, we school at Fie, Open San Yuma Panebra, Lucasua, high tension, street never, Obom station or no, Obom say somebody boy, Bliss aluminium, you're not much to scream Nase. The phenomenon of friends, so you know that Casaboko, our supreme.